Was that a frustrating afternoon? A point gained or 2 points dropped in the title race, Chris?
It's mixed emotions for me because obviously, yeah, we dropped a couple of points and drawn a game, but in terms of the performance, I said to the lads in there, you know, last season we would have lost that game 100%, and obviously once they went 2-0 up there, you'd expect us to go on to lose the game as well with the way it was, and the lads showed real character. Obviously we went to a front four for the last 20 minutes, that got us back in the game, and the lads just kept going all the way through, so I'm really proud of the battling spirit that they showed, and the effort levels for the full 90 minutes. I can't fault them for that. Obviously disappointed to draw a game because we want to win every single game, but overall the performance, you know, I think there's lots of positives to take.
From being 2-0 down, a point is a great result probably, isn't it? And some great football as well on a very sticky pitch. Especially
the timing of their second goal. Normally that's curtains, isn't it? You normally go on to lose a game there, but you know, if you look on the pitch today, there was no thought that we're going to go on to lose the game. The lads kept going. As you say, the 2 goals we scored come from decent moves as well. So obviously we don't want to drop points ever, and you know, we'll see whether that's a good point or a bad point at the end of the season, but for me, I'm really proud of the effort levels, really proud of the way they went on till the end, and loads of positives.
Loads of positives. So moving forward to next week and Trelly Bay again, is it time to beat them, or are we still in the ruts against the Trelly Bay team?
No, it's just obviously just take it game by game. It's an important game, as they all are, so we'll use the momentum of the final half an hour today and try and win the game next week.
No injuries from today?
No knocks, no.
Very good, thank you very much, and diolch for coming out.
Diolch.